Like raise your head a little bit. Okay, now try to talk. Say something.
Hello. Okay. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here again with Gaius. Today's video is, we've never seen it before on YouTube. He came up with the idea. He's acting all cool now, but I'm sure if I didn't give him credit after the video, he'll be like, you didn't say it was my idea. So click that like button, comment down below, and share it so that the views will go up, so we'll make more.
Yeah, it's basically a box filled of items. That she's
Plural
totally
items.
Oblivious to what's inside, so.
Okay guys, let's begin. Okay, I see orange and yellow and red. Oh my god. Oh! Cheetos, number 1, Flaming Hot Limon. Holy shit! Oh my god, this is like the one that Jenim always gets and she eats it with the chopsticks.
Really?
Because it stings your fingers.
Oh.
Extra Flaming Hot.
Shout out to Walmart!
Miss you, Walmart! Takis, yokes. Wait, this is becoming like a samyum challenge, but for chips, like
chips.
Spicy
Yes.
chip challenge.
Yes.
Titan and Gaius spicy chip challenge.
Let's try the chips.
Okay. First up, we have the Cheetos Flaming Hot Crunchy. These are just the regular ones.
Standard. Pretty good.
I think it's different. I'm trying to remember the US one.
Do you know a fact?
What?
There was a Cheeto that was shaped like Harambe and it sold on eBay for $100,000.
How about it?
Yeah.
America, the country that buys Harambe Cheetos and votes for President Trump. This one I would give like a 9 out of 10. The US one I'd give a 9.8 out of 10.
Oh,
I really like the US
so
one.
is there a 10?
Next up, we're gonna try the Cheetos Lemon.
Lemon. There is a hint online.
Oh my god, this smells like armpit. right? It smells like an armpit. Okay, a really smelly armpit. Ready? Cheers.
Cheers. Whoa.
The lemon is so strong, bro.
Whoa. That's interesting, dude. Higher rating.
I give this one 9 out of 10. Good job.
Didn't you give that one a 9 too?
I give that one an 8, I think.
No, I thought you gave that a 9.
No, this one I would give like a 9 out of 10.
A 9 out of 10?
Give the US one a 9.8.
Oh.
Okay?
Yeah. I'd give it a solid 9 too.
Extra hot Flamin' Cheetos. I saw a lot of YouTubers try this on their Insta story.
Oh, this one?
Oh my god, it says twice as hot. Bitch. Okay, ready? Cheers.
Cheers. Is it twice as hot?
It's like 1.5 as hot. The hot is not like tabe hot, it's like chemical induced hot.
Yeah.
I would give this like a 7.5.
I'll give this a solid 7. Not something I would eat regularly. Just a bit too hot.
A bit too hot? Wow, dude, guys is really good at eating spicy. That means it's really spicy. Next up, we have the Chester's $2 only. I don't know what's the difference with this. I guess it's just a cheaper version.
And they're called Chester fries.
Oh,
fries.
They're straight. They're
Yeah.
straight. Different.
It's different. It's a lot softer.
It's a lot cheesier.
Not really into this. You?
Not into it either.
Not into it. It's too soft.
I'll rate this a 6 out of 10.
6. I would give this a 5.
Really?
Yeah.
Put it in the box. Shame. You guys don't know what a Funyun is?
Yeah, what is a Funyun?
It's an onion flavored ring. Stop it. You're gonna wait for me. Cheers! Onion.
Onion, yeah. It definitely tastes like onion.
I thought that there would be an actual onion inside, but I guess that's too expensive for them to put an onion in every single one. An 8 out of 10. Same as the first one.
I'll give it an 8 too.
Okay, next we have our crowd favorite Lay's.
Lay's.
But flaming hot flavor. My number 1 terms and conditions for chips is it has to be thin. Oh my god, this is actually the perfect snack for me because usually I really hate that I like the seasoning of Cheetos, but then the Cheetos are so thick. And I always kind of wish that it was like on a potato chip. And here it is. It just tastes chowta.
Yeah, no, not my thing, I think.
But like, I'm also kind of into it though. I give this a 6 out of 10.
You enjoy it?
Yeah, I enjoy it.
I don't enjoy it at all. That bitter taste is really putting me off.
Last but not least,
Takis.
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 Hey.
Yucks, Takis.
I'm a bad girl.
Bad girl, bila kau tak pernah buat dosa.
I have no idea how this looks like at all. I don't even know how that looks like. What?
What?
That was the least expected.
Yo, they are hot chili, pepper, and lime tortilla chips.
Oh, I was literally just about to say tortilla chips rolled up into a thing. I'm a genius. And also you can see burn marks on it. 我不喜欢，太硬了。
It's a lot of seasoning.
It's so sour.
It's actually really sour.
Rating?
Rating? A 4. A 4.
I'll give it a 1. Just because I'll never eat it again. That's the end of the video. That was the last snack.
And
my
your
most
favorite?
Let's say it at the same time.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Limon.
Limon, yeah. I was gonna say flaming hot.
Babe. And that is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys for thinking of the idea and getting everything. And if you guys enjoy this kind of video, share with your friends and family. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I'll see you in the next What's in the Box. Bye.
Bye.